everyone. This is Megan Wise, the Blended Learning Coordinator, here for another episode of Starting with Why, using EdTech for a purpose. Previously, I have talked about a variety of different EdTech tools and platforms on this little project and focusing on the why specific tools should be used. And today's episode will be no different. I'm going to talk about a platform known as SeeSaw. Now, if you haven't heard about SeeSaw, I'm a little bit surprised because it's getting a lot of attention right now, especially in remote learning, and it deserves the attention because it's an excellent platform for a variety of reasons. And I'd like to share my screen as always because I've gone over a few notes to make sure I touch on some very specific things. So let's take a look at those together. All right, so first of all, SeeSaw easily documents your student work and they can do it themselves. They can use any device for SeeSaw, something as simple as a cell phone or a Chromebook or a desktop computer, anything that allows them to snap a photo of work that they have done. Now that student work might be a variety of different things. That might be written out work, that might be something they built or created or colored or painted or drew or designed. Anything that they create, they can document it with a photo, and then the next level after that is the fun part, the part where they get to either record their voice over it or embed a webcam, just like what I'm doing right now when I record for you, describing what their work is. And so students can do this within the four walls of the classroom, or they can do it at home, and they can instantly send this work to their teacher, and their teacher can see this work on any device, on a cell phone, on a home computer, on a laptop, on a tablet, doesn't matter. Now, during normal brick and mortar school instruction, what's great about this is that once the teacher receives the work and approves it, they can instantly send this work to parents. This is a great communication tool to get parents involved because it can, in the moment, send the parents evidence of what their students are working on in the classroom. Now, obviously right now in remote instruction, it's going the other way. Students are primarily at home working with their parents and sending the work to their teachers. But either way, this platform has a wonderful cyclical way of sending and receiving information and feedback all the time. And it's a very easy to use platform. It's very picture-based, so it's accessible for our youngest learners, meaning they can look at the little icon to take a picture and they don't have to read written directions. And they can see the little icon of the recorder button that they know that when they press that, they record themselves over the picture of what they've taken. So very simple, very easy to use, and it solves that age-old question of when the students go home and the parents say, "What did you do in school today?" And the kid says, "I don't know," or "Nothing." Instead, this is getting the parents engaged right in the moment throughout the day. And it's a great way for the teacher to be able to track the evidence of this student progress as they're working. And as the students get older and they work independently, whether within the classroom or without, this is a great way for the student to document their own practice, and this becomes the accountability piece for when students are working not directly with the teacher. So again, as always, there will be links in the description with these YouTube tutorials for how to set up SeeSaw, and there's also a specific tutorial for how to use it with remote learning. If you haven't tried it yet, no matter what age level your students or what your content, you can give SeeSaw a try, and it's an excellent tool for communication and for documentation. All right, thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and make sure you come back for more Starting with Why.